Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Oluwatunseyi and I share simple and healthy homemade food recipes, tips and hacks that you can try yourself at the comfort of your home. You're welcome to today's episode of Kitchen Hacks on Fresh Preservation Methods and Tips. I will show you how to clean and preserve your fresh carrots as long as you want. Considering the fact that you use or consume fresh carrots in different ways, as well as use them for a lot of recipes, I'm sure you would like to know how to preserve them fresh without getting bad like these ones that you're seeing right now on your screen. The truth is that once carrots are frozen, you can't get to use them for recipes and appreciate them like what you see right now on the screen. Come along with me as I show you an easy way to preserve and keep your carrots fresh as long as you want. Here are the carrots that have been washed already. To wash your carrots, you can sprinkle some vinegar in water. So these carrots have been washed and we are ready to preserve them. You can preserve them like this, but you can also decide to cut out the top and bottom. You can use the peeler or knife to peel or cut off any unwanted parts. If you do all this cleaning before starting, you will not need to clean the carrots again after storage. I will show you the ones I did without cleaning the carrots first. So we are done with that. So the next thing is to get water. I usually prefer to use drinking water. Pour the water into the container with the carrots to get the carrots completely submerged in water. Cover it with the lid and put in the fridge. Ensure that this water is changed every week, but sometimes when I forget to change the water after a week, I discover the carrots still remain intact even after 2 weeks. These ones have been stored in the fridge for more than a month and they are still as fresh as when they were kept in there. These carrots were not cleaned before the preservation. I only rinsed with water. So when I need the carrots, I'll just pick the quantity I need, scrape off or peel the back, cut off the top and bottom or any unwanted parts, then I'll rinse and use. But to save yourself this stress or to make the carrots ready to use immediately after storage, you can follow the steps I showed at the beginning. I hope you found value in this video. If you do, please give it a like by clicking the thumbs up button, and don't forget to subscribe and share the video to someone you think will need it. I'll see you in a future video where I'll bring you other preservation tips and methods. Till then, stay safe, stay blessed. Bye.